Hello everyone, so today we're going to go over lubricating the front end of the club car. And it's very important. Every 6 months or 50 hours you should lubricate the front end, the spindles on the club car. And what that is going to do is keep your kingpins and your spindle moving well. If you don't lubricate it, then you're just going to cost you a lot of money, and then you got to come see us and it'll be froze up. On your car, all you have to do is take your grease gun, and this will go for onwards, tempos, everything on the club car product. And then just grease these certs. And you can just grease those certs until you see a little bit of grease come out the very bottom of it. And that will save you quite a bit of money. Now, it's that time of year. If you ever come and see us, we sit right in Ozark on 65 Highway in between Springfield and Branson. And right about this time of year when the leaves turn red, if you drive from Saddlebrook to Harrisonville, you will get breathtaking views. Have a good day.